Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best OnPay plan for full-time employees. When I first started running payroll for my small business, I thought I'd need a complicated, tiered system, especially since I have full-time employees. But after doing a deep dive, my experience showed me that OnPay keeps things remarkably simple and streamlined. The most straightforward answer to what's the best OnPay plan for full-time employees is their single, all-inclusive pricing plan. Yes, that's right. OnPay doesn't have different tiers with confusing feature lockouts. This was a huge win for me, as it meant I wasn't constantly worrying about upgrading just to access an essential feature for my W-2 employees. What I learned is that their one plan is a full-service payroll system. For a single base fee, plus a small per-employee charge, you get everything you need for full-time staff. And I mean everything. First, full-service payroll is included. This is critical for full-time employees. The system handles all the heavy lifting, calculating all federal, state, and local payroll taxes, and then automatically filing and paying them for you. My days of worrying about filing deadlines were over, and that peace of mind is priceless. It even includes unlimited pay runs and schedules, which is great if you have a mix of salaried and hourly full-timers. Second, the HR tools and compliance are built in. For full-time employees, this is huge. The plan includes employee self-onboarding, which saved me so much time with paperwork. New hires can enter their own information, sign their W-4s and I-9s electronically, and access their pay stubs and tax forms through their own portal. This means less administrative work for me and more control for my employees. Finally, the benefits administration is seamless and fully integrated. This is a non-negotiable for offering a competitive package to my full-time team. OnPay integrates things like health insurance, 401k retirement plans, and even workers' compensation right into the payroll process. The deductions are calculated and sent automatically, ensuring compliance and accuracy without me lifting an extra finger. So, if you're running a business and need a robust yet simple system for your full-time staff, my personal recommendation is to look at OnPay's single, all-in-one offering. You aren't forced into a more expensive tier just to get basic full-service features. It gives you the full package: automated payroll, essential HR, and seamless benefits integration. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.